guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a vision board that actually works, and I'm going to share some of my goals for the future, short-term and long-term, and then I'm going to be making a vision board with you guys so you have an idea of what it's going to look like. Okay, so if you haven't heard of a dream board, some people call it a vision board. It's basically a collage of all your dreams and goals and aspirations and things like that for your future. Sometimes people put present stuff on there. And what you want to do is set it up somewhere where you will see it every single day, because when you look at it, you're going to be like, oh, I want that in my life, and then it's slowly going to start happening in your life. Vision boards go along with the law of attraction and manifestation, which is basically you think good thoughts and good things happen to you, think negative thoughts, bad things happen to you. So your mindset affects your day-to-day life and what goes on in your life. And when you make a vision board, you're going to put things that you want to attract in your life onto that vision board. So for me, I want to be a pilot when I grow up, so on my vision board I'm going to have pictures of airplanes and flying and things like that. Because if I see that kind of stuff every day, then I'm going to attract those kinds of things in my life. And that's basically what the law of attraction / manifestation means. Whatever you think about is going to happen almost. If you want to learn more about law of attraction and manifestation, I recommend this documentary on Netflix. It's called The Secret, and it just talks about everything in depth and like how your mindset affects things in your life. It's really good, but it's kind of slow, so be careful. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into making our very own dream board. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get out a sheet of paper and a pencil or a pen, and you want to make a list of all the things you want to have on your dream board. These are going to be things like travel, success, that may be money or like happiness for you, love, health, fitness / body goals, bucket list things, lifestyle, maybe dream, wardrobe, cars, houses, quotes, anything for your future or present. It can be in your present too. And you're going to put all those things down on a list. What I did was I scrolled through Pinterest and got a bunch of different ideas and saved them to a board where I knew that's what I wanted on my dream board. I want to have that in my life. The next step is you go to CVS and you order all your pictures. They come in this little case or whatever you want to call it. We're gonna lay them all out and organize them. We're gonna put them on our board. Like, you can get anything from Michael's, a big old poster board, or like a picture frame, and you can tape them to the picture frame. But for me, I'm going to be putting them on the inside of my mirror cabinet in my bathroom, because that's something that I see every single day, so I know it'll hopefully work and I'll hopefully have those things in my future. Okay, so I have everything laid out and I still have a big pile more, but I just wanted to show you. So here I have things like friends and traveling with friends and graduating high school to my dream car, my dream house, and finding love, to traveling with love, and bucket list things like going to Tulum and Bora Bora, and I have quotes and just body goals, being wealthy or having enough money to afford things I want to do, to like food. But you also have to have things in here like happiness, to fun and laughter and excitement, because you want to feel those things and you want those feelings to be in your vision board too. Okay, so I'm currently in my bathroom and this is what my vision board, it's not really a vision board, it's just kind of quotes from when I was younger that I put up, and so I'm going to take them all down and we're going to do it. Okay, so now that I have everything off, it's nice and clean, I'm going to use tape and scissors to cut out the pictures so they're not all like regular boring boxes and rectangles or whatever you want to call them. And yeah. Here's what it looks like. This is all my extra scraps and everything that I cut out and scissors, but I'm really happy with it. It turned out really good. Okay, so I ended up not using all the pictures I got, but it's fine. I'll just find something else to use with them. Anyway, hopefully looking at this vision board every single day when I wake up and when I go to bed will make some of it true. Maybe not all, but hopefully some. That would be amazing. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below and make sure to stay tuned for following videos because I'm trying to start up and keep more consistent. So hope you like this one. See you next time.